Hey Fit Fatties, it's me Tiana. I'm making this video because I want to first show you the moves that we're going to use tonight so you'll know how to do them when you're going through. Just so you know, tonight I will be using this 3-pound weighted ball. You can use a 1 pound, 3 pound, whatever weight you want, or your weighted ball if you have it, or weighted gloves. You can wear weighted gloves tonight if you have those. So, tonight's move, a high knee, is from standing position. Make sure so you can see. Okay, so high knees from the side. When you're gonna jump, but the whole point is to get your knee here, at least level across. Okay, so you can go here. You can just raise if you need to modify like this. If you can pick it up a little bit, pick it up a little bit. And if you can go like that, then you need to go like that. Don't play around. All right, baseball throws, just like this. Pretend you're holding the baseball. Here. Get it. Throw. Bring it back. Set up again. Throw. But when you throw, make sure you're throwing with a controlled throw. Okay? Next one is going to be switch kicks, which are basically kind of like a marching man here. But you want to kick. Kick, kick. So kick, if you can't jump, get this up as high as you can get it. If you're not jumping on these moves, you better be getting some height. Know that for a fact. Axe throws. Pretend you have something on the ground, or you can actually have something. Pick it up and pretend to throw it. See, with both hands. Watch my core. Down and throw. So you should feel it here when you get here, okay, and the throw. So down. See this position down? My knee is not over my toe. Grab, throw. See that transition in my legs? Okay. And then we have a crisscross punch. Crisscross power jump, which is like this. Watch my feet. You want to crisscross power jump. Crisscross power jump. Okay, the first time you're going to start, you're going to criss with the right in front, and then the second time around, you're going to criss with the left in front, okay? So those are the moves tonight. We'll have a couple of moves probably for the bonus floor. You'll get that when you get there, you'll see. But other than that, take care of your business. Make sure you stretch, drink water, and be prepared for this workout. It's going to be non-stop. Going to go, go, go. Do the best you can. Don't worry about anything else, okay? All right, y'all. Tiana, Real True Thirst, and I'll see you in a minute. Peace.